Met you then, hey.
So let's get to it!
Let's get to it! What colour are you gonna go with first on your eyes?
There's a blue, there's a green, and there's too much colour in it! Ooh! I am going to do the rainbow on my eyes.
Okay. A twist of the rainbow.
A twist of the rainbow. Loads of your videos you done this. So this is the palette of whatever that is.
Look in the mirror. Yeah, instead of looking up.
How long are my eyebrows? What are the giant bum?
What?
I said, no, wait, drum please. Longest giant bum! Concentrate. Why are you looking at me like that?
You say my eyebrows are massive?
Yeah.
It's not funny. Get out if you're gonna continue to laugh and make fun of me.
It's like. Damn, look at me. So crazy. Guys, mommy's a weirdo.
I'm the weirdo? Duh. Duh.
Guys, I'm going.
Guys,
Stop copying me.
that's what the video's all about.
No, it is not.
What's the video about then?
You copied me, do remember?
Yeah,
Not
see? Me copying you. Right, you don't need too much on your cheeks, by the way.
When you were sleeping once, you let me use your.
I didn't let you use it.
Yeah, you did.
Yeah.
Where's the orange one? Because I used it the other day. No, the day you were secret. I say secret. In a Barbie world. Dress me up, make it high, have me die. The ambulance puppy. My dog died. I'm trying to give you a kiss.
Kiss with your mouth open. Like you're about to eat me.